What's up, everybody, and welcome to the N-Ext DIY channel. I am standing here with
Jake the Lawn Kid. How's everybody doing?
I can't even believe that you came down to Georgia just to see us.
Well, nothing better to do.
Anyway, we're gonna have a little fun here. I want to walk down some of these products with Jake. He's gonna pick a few things out and talk about why he likes those, and let's get into it. So Jake, you've been using a lot of this stuff for a while. If you were gonna build the Jake pack, what do you think that would look like? How many products does that consist of? And why don't we just go through here and pick some out and see what you think?
All right, sounds good. Let's see what we got here. It's looking all over for this.
Oh, dethatch.
Yeah, dethatch.
Okay.
So gonna grab some 700.
700, excellent. All right, good choice.
I'm gonna grab some Green Pop.
Okay. Oh, yeah, right here.
So,
there you go, some of that, all right.
All right, so as we come up to the top shelf to unveil a new product, 0031 Green Fight, that pretty much fills up the cart and completes the order. So here's my thinking behind this, right? So this is actually the green pack mixed in with some dethatch. This is kind of my go-to for the summer and fall time. So if we look and kind of walk through what we got here, we got the 1621-2, as I've talked about before. It's a great product. It's actually got some air raid in it. So if you're not looking to get the air raid as a standalone and you want something for your fall seeding to put down with some RGS, if you got any of that on hand, this is a great product for that. We got some 1801. This is great for summer fertility, something you can put down in conjunction with the 700, which we'll take a look at in a second. And on top of that, if you're also later into the seeding phase, you're looking for something that's going to feed more mature grass and help you get a little further down the road of establishment, this is what you're gonna want. And then coming over here to the dethatch, by far one of my favorite products for the summertime, because again, a lot of us, when we're cutting grass, and we have a couple of times where we get a little overgrown, we can get a little bit of a thatch layer built if we don't stay on top of it. So this is a great thing to get down in the summertime to help dissolve that thatch. We got two more here. We got the 700 Green Effect. I really like this product a lot. Goes down great with 1801 in the summertime, because what it does is it gives you a lower amount of nitrogen. So if you take down the application rate at 1801 from 16 to 12, it's a great complement in that avenue, but you also get more iron in there, which helps with the overall darkening of the lawn without pushing any additional growth. And then to finish it off, I also like to put in some 0031 Green Fight. Now, if you follow the green pack, which we'll be talking about in some upcoming videos here, it actually does recommend including Green Fight with one of these 3 fertility products that I have here. So in the summertime, when your lawn is stressed out, I do like to take the 700 with the 0031 Green Fight that you could see right here. I really like to put these two together because you get that darkened green with a little kick of nitrogen, and on top of that, you also get that potassium in there for that foundational layer of green. So,
all right, Jake, so I got good news and bad news.
What's the bad news?
Well, I thought you'd want the good news first.
Well, I kind of want to be disappointed so I can be built up later, so go ahead, tell me.
I can only fit 4 in here.
Okay.
So you either have to take 4, or you're gonna have to take 8.
So what we're gonna do, guys, since we have a brand new package that came out that I've been using on my lawn, and as you guys have seen, the results have been crazy awesome. We're gonna go ahead and pack up a special version, if you will, of the green pack. Now, the reason that's special is because whoever the lucky guy is or gal that gets this box, you get a nice JTLK sticker in there to show your support for JTLK and the folks at Greene County Fertilizer. So John, let's pack it away.
You got it. So as Jake mentioned, this is all part of the green pack here. You probably have seen me use some of this stuff on some of the lawns I did renovations for this year. Pretty much used everything in all of these. And if you haven't noticed, I am just double checking those caps to make sure that they're tight.
Yeah, right.
Because I want to make sure that your Jake the Lawn Care nut sticker, Jake the Lawn Kid, John the Lawn King.
So whoever the lucky person is has to dig for that.
That'll
Good luck.
Nice. All right, this green pack is going to be put away and ready to be shipped to some special, lovely person.
All right. we're gonna switch things up a little bit. We got John here. John's actually gonna go through, do the exact same thing, and show you guys his classic JB combo. JP combo, I should say.
That is. This is a good question, because there are certain things that I like to do and sort of take lawns through their paces. And if I'm only limiting myself to 4, it is a real challenge.
Right.
But if I were gonna keep it simple, here's what I would do. We have so many of these great things in here. We got RGS, humic, aerate, all of that, right? But honestly, I'm gonna probably dip down, skip those, and go with the 002. I wanna make sure I have that on hand. Just covers off a lot of stuff. And I can adjust the rates on this and get some of these levels up to the way I want it, and I don't really have a bad time of year I can apply it. I'm always gonna get good green color out of it. The humic's in there, the kelp's in there, and everything else. I love having 1801 on hand. Love having that on hand, and usually lots of it. I have done more lawn repairs with that product than anything else, and for the longest time, this was the professional product that everybody went to, just running it all year round, straight through the season, 5 or 6 apps a year. It was 1801, just hitting it all the time. So this is one that I definitely think everybody needs to have, and if you were to keep it super simple, just having these 2 on hand and going out every time, you will have a stellar lawn. It really works very well. One thing that's made a big impact for a lot of people is that green pop right there. And I would also take this dethatch.
It's a great choice.
Those are the ones that I would go for, because I know that I can get my spring and fall feedings. I know that I can get, if I'm gonna do overseeding, or if I just need that N and P right here, I can knock that out. I've got all my minors, and then this one is just gonna help with that soil all the time. So the dethatch, I think, is really underutilized as overall as a great tool that maybe you're not necessarily having to rid yourself of any litter, but just having these sugars and having this sort of active biology in here can make a huge difference to the soil, and it's just a lovely tool to have. Chuck is stepping out from behind the camera here for a second because we figured maybe we need a chuck pack. So what does the chuck pack look like?
Well, so I do have an all-time favorite product. We'll get to it in a second because it's over there a little bit, I think. But while I'm on this side of the world, I love microgreen. It's probably the unsung hero, I think, of any pack you can get. Because you're also gonna get green of it. It's not as flashy as some things. You know, you got flashier products. You know, 1801, that's flashy.
That's boom.
But this is, it's unsung. It's subtle.
It's a dark horse.
Dark horse, I like that.
Absolutely.
So we're gonna get that. We're gonna get some humic.
Oh, I like that.
I always love a good heavy dose. Is it paint it black, I think people say?
Yeah, that's right.
With the Tennessee red clay, can never have too much humic. I love me some Flora Green.
What do you love about that?
You know, I think it's, what people don't understand is a lot of the Greene County N-Ext line of products, they're all versatile, and like you can apply them not just on the turf, you can apply them on your flower beds and this kind of stuff at different rates. But Flora Green, for something about it, that the color I get, the response I get from the lawn, because I used it, I forgot what I called it in a video. It's like the double dark, but not the double dark. I think I called it the classy dark.
The classy dark.
The classy dark, because it's not as heavy-handed as the double dark, but my flowers every year, I've had my snapdragons this year, which usually are done by the summertime. With Flora Green enough water, they have gone season long.
Oh, that's fantastic.
I love my snapdragons. So anyway, so that's 3. And then my last one, another thing that's really big, and I'm thinking more practical from where I live, is aerate. Anyone with clay, aerate, humic will make that stuff. You can grow anything on red clay with humic and aerate. So this is my chuck pack. It maybe isn't as flashy as some, but that's what I like.
That's the chuck pack.
All right, so if I was stranded on a desert island that had lawns, these are the 4 products that I would 100% be sure that I took with me. And we're gonna call this the nut pack. So, as I've always said, the base layer is the most important thing. That is the RGS. And this is definitely like shopping. It's nice, just going along. So RGS, root growth stimulant. Not a lot of people know that. This has got your humic in it. It's also got your sea kelp. And both of those are in higher concentrations when you kind of look at it compared to a lot of other products. So second, aerate, liquid aeration. I still believe, I know it works. This is gonna pound down into the soil, loosen everything up, break bonds, get water flow, get roots deep. So those are my 2 biostimulants that I would include in my ultimate 4-pack, my nut pack. And now I need a little fertilizer, and you guys know I'm going big nitrogen all the way. But before I do that, I need some GreeneEffect, because this is my secret weapon on this stranded desert island with the nut pack, and I need to turn things green quickly. This is what I'm using. The reason I like 700, you got a lot of iron in here. Iron gives the grass that deep green-blue color you like. The nitrogen that's in here at 7% pulls the iron in, and then of course we get foliar absorption here. Because of the way this is formulated, this is gonna absorb directly into the grass blades, a lot quicker green. So that's kind of whenever I just feel like making things a little greener, which is gonna happen on a desert island, 1801 ExtGreenepunch, this is monthly, 16 ounces per 1,000. This is what's gonna keep me going. Also sea kelp, also a little bit of iron, also humic, as everything is formulated with that. So that is my ultimate 4-pack right there. RGS, aerate base layers. These are like monthly if I want to. I got my 1801 ExtGreenepunch, which again is my normal monthly, regular, full formed fertilizer, and then my 700 whenever I need a little green push. There you go. That's the nut pack.
Hi guys, my name's Brett, and today we're here at Greene County Fertilizer, and they've tasked me with picking 4 gallons for my ultimate pack, which I'm gonna call the Chasing Color Pack. And that pack consists of this one right here, GreeneEffect, because we all know I'm chasing color. Next gallon, GreeneEffect, because I'm chasing color. It might surprise you with this 3rd pick, but that is GreeneEffect, because we all know chasing color is definitely my favorite GreeneEffect, because I'm chasing color.
So Brett's being funny, and really he didn't say it right. What you're supposed to say is, I'm chasing color. You're supposed to say it like that, but either way, the idea here is you can taste the rainbow. You can do any of these. There's actually no wrong way to go here. They're all gonna work. They're all gonna do something good for the soil, or obviously this one, chasing color, but that's the whole fun of this. Pick, choose your own adventure, have a good time with them. You can't go wrong.
So I think one thing that really take away from all of this is that there really isn't a wrong answer. A lot of this stuff is just personal preference. It's like, what do you like to see on your lawn? What are you adding it into? What kind of program are you running? Are you running primarily granular? If you're gonna be doing that, getting your hands on a biostim pack to make things work better and have a more robust, stronger soil system and really just thicker, healthier grass is a wonderful way to go. And things like this RGS at the low rate will give you a full acre of coverage. So you've got the opportunity to really stretch your dollar with these biostims, and I think that that's really important. But as you go on and you're taking the journey and you're moving through and working through some of these products, you're gonna find some favorites. And honestly, there's no wrong combination. So, have fun with it. Mix, match, play, enjoy the process, and just go have fun on your lawn. Talk to you guys.